Everyone started with the move. I can feel it in my soul. I'm not stopping, I'm in control. There's always another level, and I'm ready now. Think ahead, move forward. I won't back down.
So this man has been saving all of this junk, the Cathedral of Junk. He's been saving it since 1989, and he's put it all around in like 3 levels. It's like absolutely unbelievable what he's done. We've got old TVs, we've got lots of junk here. It's like unbelievable. Like just the way that it's organized. Like we've got bikes, and then we've got crutches, and we've got things from the 80s. It's absolutely amazing. So if you're ever in Austin, Texas, make sure to check out the Cathedral of Junk. I don't even think he has a website or an Instagram page. It's all like word of mouth that you see on Instagram. But if you're ever in Austin, you have to check out this man's place. It's like a work of art, the Cathedral of Junk. Wow, what a place here. It's like really an organized junk in here that this man has been collecting since 1989. It seems like every piece of junk has its place, and it's actually quite beautiful how it all fits together, and it fits in here. So what an interesting place to visit if you're ever in Austin, Texas.
He's got BC, British Columbia plates here. Yeah, Ontario. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Smooth. Wow, this is unbelievable. Yeah, I love that. I feel like I'm in that movie. Wow, look at that. He's really artistic.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, it was great here. I love it. So colorful, lots of junk. Look at that. It's unbelievable. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, it's up to me. I can see it clear. Everything I want is already here. Another level I'm stepping in. This is where my life begins. Every doubt try to hold me back, but I turn pain into my